Your capstone, portfolio, and resume prove you can do the work. This final lesson makes recruiters and hiring managers find it and believe it. You will rewrite your LinkedIn profile as a systems engineer, target the right titles, mirror job description keywords truthfully, and run warm outreach that gets replies. Then you will prepare for the senior technical interview, root cause analysis, automation design, identity, and system design, and stand up a weekly loop that compounds into offers. The goal is simple: convert a strong portfolio into interviews, and interviews into a senior role. The previous lessons built the proof: a capstone, a portfolio, and a resume around quantified impact. This lesson builds the distribution. Most strong candidates lose not on capability but on visibility. Their work is real but no recruiter sees it, or the profile recruiters do see says nothing. Your job now is to make your LinkedIn profile a 30-second argument that you can do the role, then run a deliberate search that puts that argument in front of the right people. Treat it as engineering: a clean interface, the profile, a search strategy, and a repeatable loop. Start at the top. Your headline is the most searched field, so name the role you want, your edge, and the key tools, something like endpoint and systems engineer, PowerShell, and Microsoft Graph Automation at scale, Intune, Autopilot, Entra ID, KQL. Your about should open with one positioning line, prove it with your capstone and portfolio in quantified language, then name your certification path and target titles. The featured section is your portfolio strip, link the repos and demos there. And add the skills that match real postings in your certs, pinning the most important, because skills drive recruiter search. Turn on open to work with your target titles and locations. The same skill set is posted under several titles, so search and set alerts for endpoint engineer, systems engineer, IT automation engineer, and modern workplace engineer, plus variants like device or Intune engineer and endpoint administrator. Read 10 real postings for those titles and note the recurring tools and phrases. That vocabulary is what you mirror, truthfully, in your profile and resume. If most postings say Autopilot and Microsoft Graph, those exact terms belong in your profile because you have actually done them. Casting across several titles widens the pipeline without diluting your focus. Applications alone are a low-yield channel. Warm outreach multiplies your odds. Keep messages short, specific, and respectful. To a recruiter, name the role, point to your projects, give a one-line fit statement, and make a small ask for a quick chat. To an engineer on the team, reference something real, a talk they gave or a tool the team uses, then a one-line ask for advice. Never send identical boilerplate to hundreds of people, it reads as spam and burns your name. 10 specific messages beat 200 generic ones every time. Senior interviews test depth and judgment, not trivia. Expect 4 themes, and answer each with the intent, design, trade-offs arc. For root cause analysis, walk a real incident from symptom to evidence to the actual root cause, the fix, and the prevention. For automation design, talk through your capstone pipeline and defend every guardrail, should process, idempotency, retry, least privilege, ring rollout, and name the alternative you rejected. For identity, reason about Entra, conditional access, device compliance, and least privilege. For system design, sketch endpoint management at scale and components and trade-offs, not clicks. Naming the alternative you rejected is the clearest signal of seniority. Momentum comes from a routine, not a one-time sprint. Each week, apply to 5 to 10 well-matched roles with tailored language, send 5 to 10 specific outreach messages, publish or comment once on a technical topic to stay visible and signal expertise, and extend one project slightly so your featured section keeps improving. Track every application in a simple sheet so you follow up deliberately. The job search is a pipeline, keep it full and keep moving candidates through it, and the portfolio you built becomes the senior role you accept. Let us bring it home, and with it, the course. By the end, you should have a rewritten profile, headline, about, featured with your projects linked, projects and experience entries, skills, and open to work on. A short list of target titles with saved searches, and a keyword pass aligning your profile and resume to your top postings. A small set of specific outreach messages sent. Rehearsed answers for root cause analysis, automation design, identity, and system design. And a weekly routine on your calendar. That is the machine that turns your portfolio into a senior role. You have built the work and the proof. Now go and launch the career. Congratulations on completing Tier 3.